Hey guys, it's Clayton here. Thank you for choosing Parkway Mazda. I'm here today to show you the 2017 BMW.
Take a look at this 2017 BMW 2 Series M4 IA, rated as a 4.5 in the JD Power Awards, with great safety and unpredictable reliability. This beautiful car right here comes in a all-wheel drive metallic red color with athletic handling, powerful LED headlights, and fog lights with a 4K rear camera. This wonderful vehicle comes with 24 fuel economy in the city and 35 in the highway. Now come on down to Parkway Mazda. My name is Clayton. You can come see me or any one of our wonderful staff members.